All right. Yesterday, I somehow lost all my camera captures. I don't know why. By camera captures, I'm talking about these little pictures of myself that are on the various scenes. And I don't know how I lost all of them, but I worked on restoring that, taking care of that. Today, I deleted all the previous cameras and I started new. Here we go. Looking at where we are today. This is my computer screen one. This is my main screen. This is my second screen on the right. This is my main picture of me where I'm talking to you. And I think this looks pretty good. It's not bad. I have room to grow. Then I have scene 4. Scene 4 consists of my scenes 1 and 3. Well, this little picture here wasn't showing up at all. And originally it was a rectangle, but it wasn't showing up. Scene 5 was scenes 2 and 3. And again, my rectangle was not showing up. So I had to figure out what to do with that. I just deleted them. I got rid of all those different things and I started afresh, anew. All right, so you see it here. I have it aligned to the very bottom of the page, and that cutoff, I can line it up, and it looks like it's actually a full circle, but just not completed because of the edge of the page. And if I go here, you can see again, it's lined up on a vertical line. It looks like it really fits there, like it's being covered up by the bottom of the page. So that's kind of cool. And so that kind of gives you an idea of what I've been doing with that. Excuse me. Now back to the next thing. This is what I plan on doing for the next 30 days. I have also been studying a lot of videos, a few videos here and there about video etiquette. That's my term for them. That's not what they call it. They just do what they do. And so I'm calling it video etiquette, and it's going to be a 30-day diary based on that theme. I'm doing this basically challenging myself to get better by doing a 2 to 5 minute video every day. And I'm starting with a bullet point script. And here you can see this is my bullet point script for today. I know it looks kind of backwards, but whatever. Sorry about that. I think the whole thing might be backwards, and it really isn't. No, it's not. But yeah, it ends up backwards there. But my video script is something I'm writing down, and I'm using that to move forward. So, let's see, where am I going from here? See, this is why I'm studying video etiquette, because here I am stuck on a spot of where do I go from here. All right. This personal study should be completed. This personal study, this is something I'm doing for myself. It's something I'm learning from on my own. It's something that I'm doing every day just to see if I can get better at it. How can I improve myself? How can I catch the problems in my speaking, the problems in my hand gestures, the problems in maybe me smoking a cigar in front of you guys? You know, all of these little things, where my eye level is. Maybe it should be higher, maybe it should be low. It shouldn't be lower, but, you know, little things, all these little things. This is what I'm trying to accomplish with this. And I'm hoping that I can be done with this personal studies somewhere after January 1st. So that's a little more, a little less than 30 days. So after New Year's. So I'll be doing this through Christmas and through New Year's. So here we go. And by the way, I want everyone to understand that all of these notes every day, this note, this bullet point thing that I'm creating is going to get tossed. It's getting thrown away because it's all being recorded here. And that forces me to not depend on my previous discussions and maybe fall back instead on what I've learned from the past. So I'm discarding all of my previous notes on a daily basis. What I write on a daily basis, my bullet points or whatever, and my riffing and so on and so forth, not rambling, but riffing. all the notes for that stuff gets put out to pasture. Let the cows have it. And they're going to just be a part of this video diary. So, I know this has kind of been a long video, but that's because this is just the very beginning of this whole thing, and hopefully the rest of my videos after this are going to be 2, 3, 5, maybe at the most 7 minutes. It's just a diary. That's all it's supposed to be. A diary. Okay, so that's it. And I'm done here, and let's go.